This video is to show you how to connect AccountingBI to Microsoft Excel. It assumes that you've already pulled the Xero API from AccountingBI for your various reports. First, you go to your home page, then you go to My Bearer Token. Depending on the report you want to connect, you will find the appropriate URL here. However, in this instance, if we're connecting your profit and loss or balance sheet report, we're going to use this URL here. So I press copy. I then go into Excel and I press data, and then I go get data from web. Depending on the version of Excel you're using, it may be slightly different. So it's worth looking into that, and we have other user guides to help you. Then you go advanced settings and then enter your URL here. Here you need to type authorization with the US spelling with a Z, and then you need to type in this box, you need to type with a capital B, bearer, and then you need to put a space. After this, you need to go back to My Bearer Token within AccountingBI and copy your bearer token. From here, you just click here and paste that there and press OK. Go through this connection process. Now, this is the Power Query tab. You'll see that I've got balance sheet data and profit and loss data. It will come through on the same report. In this instance, I think I've only previously called profit and loss data, but if I had called balance sheet data, there would be data there as well. I then click this tab again, expand, and then I have all my data there. Then I just press close and load. This data is now a live data feed between AccountingBI and your spreadsheet, and you simply press this button here to refresh. If you want this information to change, remember you need to go into the report in AccountingBI and make sure you're refreshing your reports. So if you get no data when you call this, it's likely because you haven't called the report itself. So if I do want to ensure I've done that, I just go to the Organizations tab. I can tick the organization that I want to call the report for. In this instance, let's say I want to call the balance sheet report because I didn't have that previously. I can then go select the balance sheet date, define the number of periods that I want to call, press refresh. You see that API call is now complete. So if I go back into my report here, you'll see there's no balance sheet data there. However, when I refresh it, the balance sheet data has come through. So in this report, I now have profit and loss and balance sheet data in the same report. If I want to set up my refresh rules, I can set up the refresh rules here. And I can also do the same for the profit and loss account.